Hello everyone. I'm sharing with you one of my favorite story of a jungle. In jungle there was a rose and a lotus. And both of them started arguing who is best among both. And they started fighting and they started arguing, and this news started spreading in entire jungle like a wildfire. All animals got worried and they started gossiping around the fight between the rose and the lotus. The rose argument was, look, I'm so beautiful, I'm red color, I'm the one who spread this beautiful fragrance in the entire jungle. And lotus said, look at my marvelous beauty, I'm so beautiful, all animals come near my pond and they sip water. I am the most beautiful. And finally, the king of jungle heard this fight going around. And a town hall meeting was called to resolve this. And finally, what was decided in town hall meeting was that let's have a voting. The vote number 1 is for rose, that rose is best. Vote number 2 is for lotus, that lotus is best. And vote number 3 is a surprise. It was kept as a surprise. And the voting day arrived and all the animals lined up and they started voting, and by the evening results were out and the king of jungle was announcing the result. And here's the result. The result is vote 3. What is now vote 3? Vote 3 is both rose and lotus are uniquely talented and special, and both of them are required for this jungle to make this jungle beautiful, ever flowing with life. And there was a loud cheer among all the animals. By this time, rose and lotus also realized that it is the togetherness, it's the coexistence which is far more important and meaningful in life than stand alone fighting for own identities and own existence. Now, friends, think about this. So many of us, we at times get carried away into our identities and we start to defend our identities and we think whatever we are thinking is the best and we are supreme. And this creates conflict, whether it is in our families or in organizations. But the fact of the life is we all live in an interdependent world and we all need everyone, and each one has got some unique talent. Now, how do we blossom this unique talent thinking? How do we appreciate this diversity which exists in the world? Let's try this meditation which is helping me in blossoming this thinking in my life. Wherever you are, I want you to just close your eyes. Inhale through your nostrils, exhale through your nostrils. I accept everyone as they are. I accept myself as I am. Everyone is uniquely talented. I am uniquely talented. I am complete. We all coexist in this beautiful, interdependent world. Try and practice this meditation. It will help you in blossoming this thinking. While doing this meditation, you can recall images of your family members, of your colleagues, and there and then you can discover their unique talent and you can recognize it and feel happy about it. I'm sure you would like this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share this video with your friends and networks. Till then, take care.